everyone. Are you headed on a cruise soon? Well, these are my top 3 must-pack essentials that I never sail without. And trust me, they make a huge, huge difference. So let's dive in. As you can see, I am currently wearing the first must-have item. They are the Soundcore Life Q30 headphones. Love them. And they come in this cute little box with your charging cable and everything in it. It's great. They are by Anker. These are a huge lifesaver, I think, especially when I'm on the loud plane, or relaxing on the Lido deck and trying to nap during the sailaway party, which we know I've done. Please, child. The hybrid active noise canceling blocks out everything. That's why I love them on the plane, because you can there's multiple noise modes. They have super comfy ear cushions, and the battery life is 50 hours. And you can also fine tune the EQ right from the app. So they're perfect. So here is product number 2. Is a portable cold brew maker. I'm not going to use it because actually, obviously, I'm at home. But it's really good for your caffeine fix. Because I also make iced tea with them, because the cruise tea and coffee, not my thing. Not the free stuff anyway. So it's compact, it's leak proof, it's super light. You just put the coffee or tea in here using the spoon. You just put it right in here. Pop this in here, you fill the water up, pop this in, screw the cover on, and then it goes in the little cruise cooler. And the next morning, voila, it's perfect. Love it, love it, love it. And then the last product that I cannot travel without, my essential needs, is the Q Bottle stainless steel water bottle. It is 27 ounces, it's insulated, and this is my favorite part here. There's no ice knocking against your teeth. It keeps the drinks cold all day, or of course hot if you make them hot. It also has a clip that you can put onto your belt or anything, your bag, so you can bring them out with your excursions. There's no sweat, which is great. You can pop it right in your bag, and you stay hydrated all day with this bad boy. So that's it. These are my favorite, well, 3 of my favorites must-pack items. So I'm going to link them below in the comment section below. It'll go to my Amazon page that I have, and you can purchase them there. Also in the comments below, make sure you let me know what your must-have cruise items are. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more cruising tips and more cruising footage. And if you hit the ding bell, you won't miss a thing. We've got a bunch more cruises coming up through the end of the year and into next year already. So don't forget to follow along. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day.